Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making lemon love buns. Why are they lemon love buns? I'd like you to imagine your favorite yeasted bun, just any bun or roll you can imagine that you love. Add a little bit of lemon in, a little bit of sugar. We're gonna top it with my favorite sparkling sugar, yay! And we're gonna shape them into whatever shape we want. Because have I made this before? Heck no, I certainly have not. So we're gonna be making it for the first time together. We're gonna be making it into heart shapes together for the first time and into knots for the very first time. Let's do this together. I'm also making it because all you need is love. Lemon love buns, all you need is love. Lemon love buns, all you need is love, love. Lemon love buns is all you need. It just might be true. Add your water. Add in your softened butter. In goes your eggs. Next, your lemon oil. Salt. A little bit of sugar. Some non-fat dry milk. Your flour going in. The most important ingredient, the yeast. Stir around just a little bit just to mix it up. Mix together and then knead for about 5 to 8 minutes. The dough should be soft and supple. Add it to a lightly greased bowl. Cover and let rest for an hour and a half. Time is up. Put on a lightly greased surface. Cut your dough into 16 different pieces. You can either make balls and put it in a 9x13 dish, or do like I'm gonna do, and we're gonna work at making heart shapes as well as knots. I'll be doing it scientifically with my scale. I'm looking for about 43 grams. That is perfect. Take one of your balls and we're gonna roll this into a log. To make the heart, literally just make a heart. Fold these ends in and I pinch them together. And we're gonna take the bottom part and put it on top, and I'm gonna stretch that out just a little bit. There we go. And when I put them on my tray, I'm gonna spread them out a bit because they will get puffy and make a shape of a heart even more. To make a knot, let's turn it over like this. And then we're literally just gonna be making a knot through it like that. Then I'm gonna take this end and go through the other side until I can get to the other side, and I'm gonna pinch them together. This is going to be a knot. There we go. Not too bad. First try, not too bad. Cover and let rise for another hour and a half. While your buns are resting, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add cold water into your reserved egg whites. Mix. Brush the tops of your buns. Add your sparkling sugar. Bake for about 20 minutes until they're a nice golden brown. Time's up, time to take them out. Ooh, look how pretty they look. They look so good. I'm gonna transfer them over to the racks to cool for just a little bit, but we get to eat these warm. Look at these love buns and the knots and how lovely they look. And I had never made these before. So when I say if I can do this, you can too, I really mean it. I mean it. Let's give one a try. Let's take a bite of the love bun. So you can see it's nice and soft in the middle. And it's got that nice crust, and the sparkling sugar adds a little bit of caramelized sugar or flavor to it. It's just delicious. If I can make these lemon love buns forming hearts and knots for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram.